So if you're like me and you love to play with dirty, greasy things like these RC cars or that car there, but you don't really like having to wash your hands every time you go in the house and the wife sees you with those dirty hands, I have an option for you. These are from Handy. Those are nitrate gloves. Now the nitrate gloves, and the reason I've got the nitrate gloves is because the beautiful Miss Nikki, who won't let me go in the house with dirty hands, is allergic to latex. So the nitrate is an answer for that. I do have to tell you, they sent me these to do this review, but with no instructions, and there was so little conversation that they sent me mediums, which will be interesting to see if they fit on my hands or not. Also, it is really hot outside and I'm a little sweaty, so we'll see how it goes. And these are a little on the tight side, but definitely going on my hands. I mean, that's pretty impressive, especially seeing as it is definitely a little hot and sweaty out here. So that's a reasonably tough test for these. All right, let's clean these up and come back, talk about it. All right, I am back with 4 clean cars, and what I hope would be the predictable, obvious answer, these things are perfect. I think the most impressive thing with 3 things, right? Number 1, the touchscreen on the camera worked with these perfectly. I think that's a good plus. Number 2, dexterity-wise, I was able to get into all the little nooks and crannies, and those nooks and crannies include lots of these like sharp-edged metal clips and stuff, and I have no holes in these, so they are super durable. Last question is, what does my hand look like when I take them off? A little sweaty, but normal. Yeah, if you're looking for a great option, you can't possibly go wrong with these. There's a link here on the screen or down below. Both work the same way, neither one costs you any extra money. If you're on YouTube, you have to hit that hype feature right now. Super important for the channel. Remember to like and follow the channel. Put any questions you may have in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Yeah, super cool. I'm out.